Good morning students, this is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we will discuss the next part of cooperative societies. As in the earlier video we have started the cooperative society. Again I am revising the meaning of cooperative society. We know that a business organization can take many forms, okay? Like in the starting of this chapter only I have told you that on the basis of ownership there are three types of businesses, okay? Which one was there? Private sector, public sector, and the joint, okay? And we have started the first part of private sector, and in this we are discussing about the cooperative society, okay? And one such form is that of a cooperative society. We know that cooperative society is a form of private sector organization. Such societies have unique features of joint ownership and democratic leadership, okay? So in the previous video we have discussed a lot about the cooperative society. Again simple introduction I am giving. A cooperative society is not a new concept. We know that it is very old concept. It prevails in all the countries, and it is a universal concept. Why it is universal concept? Because it is adopted by all the countries. The cooperative society is active in all the countries worldwide and is represented in all the sectors including agriculture, food, finance, healthcare, okay? A sector. There are many types of fields in which agriculture that cooperative societies are formed, okay? So today we will discuss the types. So first of all I am going to tell you the need of cooperative society, why there was a need to form the cooperative societies, okay? We know that these are non-profit organizations. To protect the interest of a weaker section, the cooperative society is formed, and it is a voluntary association of people whose motive is the welfare of the member, ठीक है? इसके अंदर क्या करते हैं, कुछ पर्सन्स मिलकर मेंबरशिप ले लेते हैं एंड दे वर्क फॉर ईच अदर्स वेलफेयर, ओके? These societies are non-profit organization. These provide the welfare and they protect the interest of the members, okay? So why it was formed? To protect the interest of the weaker section, okay? So today we will start the types of cooperative society, and in the earlier video we have discussed the three types, okay? We have discussed three types: producer cooperative, okay? Then we have discussed the consumer cooperatives, and then we have discussed about the credit unions, okay? And today we will discuss the fourth part of cooperative society, that is marketing cooperative society, okay? Why the marketing cooperative society is formed? With an aim of helping small producers in selling their product. ये क्या करते हैं, जो small producers होते हैं who are working at the small level, उनको help करती हैं. These societies are established. Why these are established? To give the help to the small producers, okay? The producers who wish to obtain reasonable prices for their output are the members of this society. ये क्या करते हैं, जो small producers मिलकर क्या कर लेते हैं, एक cooperative society को form करते हैं, and the name of that is marketing cooperative society, and in this they earn the reasonable prices for their output, okay? Why these are formed? For securing a favorable market for the products. For securing a favorable market for the products, they eliminate the middleman and improve the competitive positions of its member. देखो इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि इसके अंदर middleman को remove कर दिया जाता है, okay? The middleman is removed. The persons, or we can say that the small producers form a marketing cooperative society, and they sell their products and they provide their products at the reasonable prices, okay? It collects the output of individual members. Various marketing function. We know that there are various marketing functions which makes the marketing that fulfill, okay? That transportation, packaging, warehousing, all these that functions complete the marketing function, okay? Because without transportation the product delivery is not possible, because to deliver the product from the place of production to the place of demand there is need of transportation. And we know that the packaging is also required for the products, and the warehousing, in the warehousing the product is stored, because there is a gap between the production and the consumption time. Okay, we know that the production is done in a particular time period and the consumption can be for the whole year also. So there is a need, and we know that the production is not done एज पर ऑन डिमांड. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि डिमांड हुई साथ के साथ प्रोडक्शन शुरू करके वो सप्लाई करेंगे. नो. ओके, इट कैन बी इन द टाइप ऑफ फूड कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी. ठीक है, जो फूड होते हैं उसके अंदर होते हैं कि जैसे ऑर्डर आया उन्होंने क्या किया, उस माल को तैयार किया, प्रोडक्ट को तैयार किया और सप्लाई किया. ठीक है, जैसे जो ईटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर केप्ट इन ए वेयर हाउसेज एज ए स्टोरेज. ठीक है, सो ऑल दिस फंक्शंस completes the marketing function and are performed by cooperative societies to sell the product at the best price. Okay, and why the that middlemen are removed, so that the reasonable prices can be gained for the product. Okay, next is housing cooperative society. Why what is housing cooperative society? To help people with limited income to construct houses, क्योंकि ये हाउसेस को कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए एट रीजनेबल प्राइजेज दीज सोसाइटीज़ आर इस्टेब्लिश. देयर एम इज़ टू सोल्व द हाउसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द मेंबर. ओके, द पर्सन्स हु आर नॉट हैविंग द हाउसेज, टू हेल्प दीज टाइप ऑफ पीपल्स देयर इज़ हाउसिंग कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी हु हेल्प द पर्सन्स like this who are not having the houses or who are having the less money. Okay, they provided the houses at the reasonable cost. Okay, a member of the society aims to procure the residential house at lower cost. मतलब हाउसिंग कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी मेनली रेजिडेंशियल हाउस, मतलब जो रहने के लिए घर होता है उसको लोअर कॉस्ट पे प्रोवाइड करवाने के लिए इस्टेब्लिश की जाती है. ओके, so they construct the houses and give the option to members to pay the installments to purchase the house. अब क्या होता है कि इसके अंदर हाउसिंग के अंदर हाउसेस को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है एंड members are given the options to pay the amount in the installments. They construct flats, provide plots to the members on which the members themselves can construct the, मतलब वो बना बनाया कंस्ट्रक्टेड हाउस भी ले सकते हैं और they can take the plot to make the house. Okay, this is the choice of the members and they have to pay the money in the installments. Next is cooperative farming society. Okay, farming means who are giving help to the farmers. Okay, these consist of small farmers who join together to avail the benefits of large scale mechanized farming. मतलब ये क्या कहते हैं कि छोटे छोटे फार्मर्स मिलकर एक कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी को फॉर्म करते हैं सो डैट दे कैन टेक द बेनिफिट्स एट ए लार्जर लेवल. एंड एग्रीकल्चर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फार्मर्स कोऑप. ठीक है, इसको क्या है, फार्मर्स कोऑप भी कहा जाता है. इज ए कोऑपरेटिव इन विच फार्मर्स पूल देयर रिसोर्सेज इन सर्टेन एरियाज ऑफ एक्टिविटी. मतलब इसके अंदर क्या करते हैं कि अपने रिसोर्सेज को एक्टिविटीज़ के अंदर पुल करते हैं सो दैट दे कैन टेक द बेनिफिट एट ए हायर लेवल. ओके, and there are two types of agriculture service cooperatives. First is supply cooperatives and the second is marketing cooperatives. Supply cooperatives supply their members with inputs for agriculture production. मतलब क्या करते हैं, सप्लाई का काम होता है, सप्लाई करना, प्रोवाइड करवाना समथिंग. दे प्रोवाइड देयर मेंबर्स विद द इनपुट्स, मतलब इनपुट प्रोवाइड करते हैं सो डैट द आउटपुट कैन बी गेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट. इट इंक्लूड्स सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, फ्यूल एंड मशीनरी सर्विसेज. मतलब वो सर्विसेज कोई भी हो सकती हैं कि वो सीड्स प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं, फर्टिलाइजर्स, फ्यूल, मशीनरी सर्विसेज दे प्रोवाइड्स एंड द आउटपुट इज agriculture production. Okay, so this is the supply cooperatives in which seeds, fertilizers or that agriculture equipments are provided so that the agriculture can be done in a vast manner and the production can be raised. Okay, next second is marketing cooperative which are established by the farmers to undertake. मतलब मार्केटिंग का वही हो गया कि ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए दे नीड द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन टू डिलीवर द that agriculture crop from from the place of field to the place of market. Okay, they do the packaging, distribution work or marketing of of farm products. Okay, in this both type of products are included. crop मतलब जो प्रोडक्शन करें, लाइव स्टॉक के अंदर जैसे कैटल्स रियरिंग करते हैं कुछ, एंड डेट देर इज एनिमल husbandry that is included in livestock. Okay, so in the that marketing, both type of products, farm products are involved, crop and livestock. Okay, next is cooperatives as a form of business organization are distinct from the more common investor owned firm. ठीक है, ये IOF क्या होती है, इन्वेस्टर ओन फॉर्म्स होती हैं विच प्रोवाइड्स द फाइनेंस टू द फार्मर्स. ओके, बोथ आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एज कोऑपरेटिव बट IOFs परस्यू प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो कह रहे हैं कि कोऑपरेटिव्स एंड द IOFs आर बोथ द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज बट IOF is established with the motive of profit, whereas cooperative societies are formed to maximize the benefit of the members. ठीक है, why the cooperative societies are formed? To maximize the benefits of the members, and but the IOFs are having the motive of profit also. Okay, so that the cooperative societies strive to maximize the benefit they generate for their members, which usually involve zero profit operation. मतलब IOF is the profit operation organization but the cooperative societies are the zero profit operation. Okay, agriculture cooperatives are therefore created in situations where farmers cannot obtain essential services from the IOFs. मतलब जब क्या है, IOF से फार्मर्स क्या हैं अपनी एसेंशियल सर्विसेज को ऑब्टेन नहीं कर पाते हैं, at that time the cooperative societies related to farming, means farming cooperative societies are formed. When these are formed, when the farmers cannot obtain essential services from the IOFs, and the IOFs means investor owned firms which are formed to earn the money, or we can say that they are having the motive of profit, but the cooperative societies are not having the profit motive. Okay, so students, revise this topic. If you face any problem, you are free to ask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.